What's up, guys? I'm Jonathan Ibarra, and today we're in another episode where here's what you get to see it first. And here with me, I have Rica. Rica, tell me a little bit about you.
I was raised in Koreatown in Los Angeles, but my family's from New Orleans, but I'm from LA. And this is why I indulge in seafood all the time. Jambalaya, gumbo, etouffee, beignets, everything from New Orleans.
Awesome. And so you're gonna get to show us your top, what, 3 or 4 plates? What do you think?
Three.
Okay, cool. Your top 3 plates, guys. So before we go in, let me show you guys a little bit of her trailer and how she designed it. It looks amazing. She hits the point that I'm always talking about. So over here to your left, you have the menu. It breaks it down what she has from her main courses, her sides, her soups and salads, her desserts, even puts the prices so that you know exactly what you're gonna get. You also have your drinks. And most importantly, something that I always talk about, putting your pictures of your food on your trailer. Check this out. She picked out 6 of her best foods right here. Look how delicious that looks. I'm big on that. It's huge. I think it's amazing. Rica, why did you choose these colors?
I love everything about the sea. So this reminds me of the sky, the sea, very nature, you know, everything that the universe grants us.
I love it. Yeah, when we were wrapping this right here, I always do all my wraps right when we entered the shop right here. Everybody loved it. They love the colors. It's not plain. It's very catchy. It's amazing. You did a great job. Now let's go inside, guys, and let's see what she's gonna make for us. C8 ain't that hard. Come on in, guys. All right, Rica. So, ooh, this is looking good. So, what are these called right here?
These are boudin balls.
Boudin balls. What is it? Explain it to me. I've never heard of this.
So these are shrimp. It's chopped up shrimp, chopped onion, celery, bell pepper, and rice, along with seasoned ground beef.
Is that what that is right there? Or
This
what
right
is it
here.
that you're...
So this is just the batter. This is also seasoned because I love flavor. I don't like anything bland.
I'm with you. Cool. And so why did you decide to go with this?
This is what my family has been eating for years. Everyone's from New Orleans.
Is it like passed on from your grandma, grandparents?
My great-grandmother is the one who taught me how to cook seafood, but it's also passed down to both of my parents cook, our whole family cooks.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So you've been cooking your whole life?
Literally my whole life. My mom had me cleaning chitlins at the age of 5.
Hey, I'm with you. My dad does something similar to that. That's really cool. And what else? So do you eat this alone? Do you eat it with something? Talk to me.
You can eat this as an appetizer, like with gumbo or etouffee.
Okay.
But then some people just order it alone because it comes with a dip. It can come with fries.
You know what I really like about this? This is something I talk about all the time, is that at events, I think this will be huge, okay? Because if you have something where you can kind of walk and pick at, especially if you have like a little side of dip, this is the perfect type of meal that you would want at events. Sometimes when people try and do a big plate of a lot of stuff, that's a little tougher to eat at events, especially if you want to walk around. But again, if they do, they always have tables, stuff like that, so you're always able to cook everything. But to enjoy something while you're walking, checking out the event, this right here seems like it'll be something really cool to check out. So again, I highly recommend doing something like this. So you're nailing it right there. Just out of curiosity, how many items do you have on your menu right now?
Right now it's about 6.
6 items? Okay. I think that's a little bit on the higher end, especially if you're just starting off. Unless it's the same, like, you know, the same products just done 6 different ways, if that makes sense, right? Think about like tacos. You have a tortilla and then 4 different meats, you know? One thing like I always try and tell people is like In-N-Out. They have 3 options and then they just do it 3 different ways, okay? They keep their costs low and their profits high. If you try and do too many things, your cost is gonna be low and your profits are probably gonna be lower, especially when you're starting off and not too many people know about you. So I would highly recommend choosing maybe your top 3 and keeping it that way and just kind of cut it down because again, especially again, when you're starting, you're probably not gonna get so much business, but as you slowly start to grow, then you can think about adding. Now, keep in mind, just because you're growing, adding is not always the best thing to do. Sometimes you start cutting your profits by doing that. If it already works, then don't change it, okay? Don't fix what's not broken, okay? So again, maybe we'll think about that. Maybe that's something you can sit on. Maybe you can do a trial and see what people like, and then you can pick maybe just the top 3. Cool? All right, so what are we doing next here?
Right now we're going to drop the boudin balls into the fryer.
All right, let's see. So how long are they supposed to be in there for?
These are gonna be in there for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
Yes.
And that'll give it that good crispy.
Absolutely.
Is there a way that you keep time, or do you already know from doing this so much? Because I know I've seen other people where they have like a little clock and it goes off in 5 minutes. What do you do?
So I've never used a timer.
No, you're just a natural, huh? You just eyeball it, you smell it, it's ready to go.
Absolutely. Just like measuring. Most of the time I don't even measure things. I just know what it's supposed to taste like.
That's that homemade style.
Yeah.
I love it. Extra, always throw more. Can't go wrong.
It smells good.
It does. Oh, it's really good. Let's see. All right, so watch. Rica's gonna tell us exactly what it is.
So these are boudin balls. These are not made with shrimp or crab. These are made with ground beef, rice, cilantro, and celery.
That looks so good. So, okay, what are they called again?
Boudin balls.
Boudin balls. Okay, have you heard of that?
Never.
No, me too. Okay, so let's try them. So
It's a French thing.
they just come out of the fryer, so let's try them out. Go ahead, you first. Ladies first. You're
What
gonna.
is this sauce?
Oh, let's try it. Open it up.
That's a homemade aioli.
What is it?
Homemade.
Aioli. Okay, cool. All right, same time, same time. Better wait for me. Cheers, girl.
Show it to me.
All right. Ooh, they're hot still.
Here's waiting bits.
Oh my God, that's really good. No, just kidding. I actually like the crunch. I know you say they're a little burnt, but I love the crunch. No, the crunch is. I think this one right here is crunchier. Oh shit! Look at that. Oh my God, that's how fresh they are. Oh my God, they're so good. Good job. Well, I can't give you a high five, but yeah, okay, there you go. All right, guys. So again, here's where you get to see it first. I love this series. This is so much fun. Now I get to try all this kind of food. What do you think? Good.
Good.
All right.
Very good.
And again, what I'm always talking about. This is the perfect event food. Watch out. Just kidding. Imagine just going to an event and you're walking around and just enjoying this. So you don't have to struggle. You don't even need a fork, a knife, or anything. You can literally walk around the entire event, grab your little ball, because I forget the name, oops, and just dip it and enjoy. I love it. This is so good. Oh my God. I can't wait to see the next plate. All right, so what do we have going on here? It smells really, really good and it looks delicious.
So this is seafood jambalaya.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit what's inside of it?
It's a lot of shrimp, there's sausage, bell pepper, tomato. It's a tomato-based soupy type of dish.
Okay, okay.
Normally it's spicy. This one hopefully is not too spicy for you.
Oh, I love spicy, so if
Okay,
it's
good.
spicy, it's okay. All right, so tell me a little bit about it. Where does it come from? Is this also from your great grandma?
This is also from my great grandma.
Okay.
Original recipe, I want to say from 1908.
Oh, no way. Okay, cool. You know, my grandpa's 04.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, nice, cool, but he
Wow.
didn't have this kind of good food. Okay, so what else did he teach? So she taught your mom, it just kind of went, it started getting passed down, or how
It
did
just
that
got
happen?
passed down, and both of my parents cooked, so
Who's
I've
a better
learned-
cook, be honest, mom or dad? You.
It would be me. It would be me.
Do they each have their own things that they want to cook, or do they pretty much cook the exact same thing? Like, does somebody have a favorite, or like, you know, this, your dad does this, your mom does that?
So my dad stopped eating red meat.
Oh, okay.
So now it's just my mom who indulges in the jambalaya.
Gotcha, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
So this goes good with those meatballs over there.
It,
Okay.
it does. It goes
They're not meatballs.
great with the boudin.
Boudin balls. Okay.
I like to put thyme in my rice because it gives it a great aroma.
Yeah, I like that. Looks so good. Oh man, look at this right here. Okay, so all right, little shrimp is moving. Let's save you for last. Save the best for last. All right, guys. So check this out right here. You have the rice underneath here. You have the sausage right here. You got some shrimp, some onions. This looks incredible. Look at that right there. Oh my God. And then topped off with the shrimp. So those of you who love seafood, this is the place to go. Try it out. Ooh. And then she said it's a little spicy, so I love spicy. Ooh, hot. That is good. I don't think it's spicy at all. I think it's perfect.
Nice.
A little hot, but it's good. Man, this is actually really good. This is really good, man. This is. Man, I love homemade food. This is delicious. Wow.
So what do you think?
I think it's really good. I don't think it's spicy. It does. I do feel that little kick at the end once you're done swallowing the food. But I think it's perfect. I love spicy, so this is perfect. I don't think you should go spicier or any less. I love it. Keep it right here, whatever you did. All right, guys, so that was delicious. So far, 2 for 2. So what do we have next? What are you gonna make for us next?
I'm gonna make some dirty rice.
Dirty rice, okay. Can't wait to try that, guys. All right, so this is the third plate. So what's in this? What do we got here?
So this is dirty rice, and what makes it look dirty is the Worcestershire sauce along with a little gumbo fillet. And
Okay.
normally it's made with bacon or fat back, but I didn't add any bacon to it. So what I did first was just make a roux, and yeah, just a little thickness.
All right, all right.
So normally this comes as a side in a small little 16-ounce bowl, but I forgot them at home.
You forgot it?
So-
No, that's okay. You know what? It's really good to do like a checklist, okay? I highly recommend Write down like all the important things that you're gonna need and just go off the checklist. No matter how many times you have done this, I highly recommend you go down your checklist, because even me, like with my team, sometimes, so this day, I make them do the checklist, but the one time they don't do it, they'll forget, that one item that you absolutely need. So don't forget to do a checklist. It's so important, guys. No matter how many times you've done this, I can't stress it enough. You need a checklist, okay? Especially when you're stressing out and you're rushing to an event, that's when it's more important, because you'll forget a bunch of things. Okay, so this is the dirty rice, right?
It is.
All right, so we're gonna try it. You said you have not tried it yet, okay?
I haven't tried it yet.
Let's see how it turned out.
Okay. It's okay, but it's missing a little bit of cumin.
A little bit of what?
A little bit of cumin and cayenne.
A little bit of cumin. Wow, that's really good already. So what would you say? It was just a little bit more, or what do you think?
Yeah, it needs a little bit more cumin.
I love the honesty. To me, it's delicious. I mean, I would have taken it just like this, but I can't wait to try it again.
Yeah.
Cool, we're gonna do it again. Now we're gonna go to your spots or your next, wherever you go. I'm definitely getting this. This and the Danes again?
Boudin.
Boudin, boudin, okay. And the boudins. To me, those two were my favorite, top two. I like the jambalaya, but I'm not a big jambalaya guy, but these two things are incredible. But for those of you guys who love it, you gotta try it out. It's incredible. What about you? What's your top three? Do you like all three of them? Do you have a favorite?
I like all three, but my favorite would be the jambalaya. I like the spice, I like the seafood, I like all the meats that are in there.
Okay, cool. See, she's got something for everybody, guys. All right, so that was incredible. That was really good. Again, my top two favorites. So where can we find you? Where are you gonna be? Let us know. Where are you gonna go?
Right now I'm mobile, so I'm everywhere. So I don't have a stable location yet, but as soon as I find out, then I will let you guys know and put it on my social media.
That's great. Yeah, I highly recommend that. I always tell people, go mobile until you find your location. Once you find a location that you really like, then you can maybe think about getting a stationary license where you can sell from there. Everybody knows where you're at. You can post on your social media. And again, you'll just be able to let people know where your home base is and what times you're always gonna be there. Okay, I always tell people, I highly recommend you respect your hours. Sometimes I see people do where they like show up at 10 one day and maybe 1 p.m. another day. You wanna be consistent. You wanna let your people know what days and what times you're going to be selling. That way they always know where to find you, and they're guaranteed to find you and get the food that they're looking for. Okay guys, so this is another episode of See It Here First. I enjoyed it. The food was delicious. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. I'll put my handle below. I'll put Rica's handle below as well. Do you want to tell them your handle?
My personal one is Creole.Hippie. My business page is Creole.Hippie Cuisines.
Awesome, and they can find you on Instagram, TikTok, everything?
Everything.
Perfect, guys. Follow us and you'll get to see more and find us and see where we're gonna be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys.